this finch just landed between my legs and he's hovering. I was talking to him and the finch flew up on my pants and he was in my crotch, which is okay because I love a finch in my crotch. You know how I talk to the finches? I say, "Hey birdie, birdie. Hey birdie, birdie. Hey birdie, birdie. Hey birdie, birdie. You're my friend, birdie, birdie. Hey birdie, birdie. You just flew from the beach all the way to me. You came back and said hello. I was talking to you at the water and I left and then you flew and said hello to my crotch. And now you want to hang out on my foot. You're a beautiful finch. And now you're my friend for life. Dare I say friend. We're in this together, baby. Are you going to come home with me, I hope? And live a good life? Hello, my friend. Would you like to say hello to my cat? Ah! He's on my hand! I have the finch! I have the finch! Ah! This is the highlight of my life! I have my friend on my hand! Oh my god, I have the finch! He's my friend! Oh my god! This is the most beautiful moment I've ever experienced. The finch is my friend, and I am now one with the finch. I've never felt more alive. Together we will make a family, the finch and I. We will have a home in the trees. Together, life will be grand, the finch and I. For we are partners in this world, the finch and I. And you are beautiful. I love you, finch. And I always will. Because I have always loved the birds. And I say farewell to my bird friend, for I have always loved the birds.
I dedicate that to you, Mom, who also loves the birds.